Final walk around of the boat. We have the tonneau covered deck with SeaDeck, and then there's all the storage. Battery is right there with the charger. Got the hookup for a 12-volt trolling motor. I've got another wire in there, you can't see it, but that is for the light bar, which will clamp on right there. The cooler that lives on the boat now. Underneath the truck bed floor, underneath the foam, I have the truck bed floor bolted down, and then we just have foam. You need help, Kip? Okay. Kip's situated with mommy. All right. Got these repurposed wood things. These came off of an old sandbox. EVA, just foam over top of the floor. And then I've got 2 of these storage things off of a Tacoma truck bed. There's another one. Eventually, when I find one that has a 120 volt, it's like a little cubby. And then the other side, it's like half and half. One's a cubby and one's a 120 volt. And I want to put it right there. And then probably get a second battery. So then I could have a 120 volt hookup on the boat, which would be cool. Got all the lights. I haven't added the little sticker for the LED light, but it's the one right next to the cabin light. And then, I have LEDs right there. Got the gas tank, the motor with this little setback plate. Right now I only have 2 options for adjustment, right here and right here. Right now it's pretty good. I think I might raise it up again to the highest one. It'll sit up about 1.5 inches higher. Right now I think it only sits about 18 inches in the water. I got a little PVC tiller extension, and then I got a tilt and trim switch on it. All the electrical, nice and waterproofed in the box. Got the sticker. It probably will not last, but barquito for little boat. Little grab bar with the foam mount and the little fish finder I got off Craigslist. Got it supported to the floor and to the little cross brace. And that's pretty much the whole boat. Thank you.